Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have my last box to film today, and this is from Lurella. You can see the tape there. The box is like monochromatic, so you really can't see the Lurella in it. Always packaged nice. I don't think I've ever had anything damaged in this box, if I'm honest. And what does this say on here? This is not... Oof. I have no idea. Oh, this is not makeup. They are essentials. I could not read what it says. My eyes are so swollen and so puffy from being sick. I'm just over it. Over it. So let's see what we have in this box. So here we have item number 1. This is probably like a headband to do skincare. Yes, that's a nice one. Nice and soft to do your skincare. I mean, you could use that when you're doing makeup too, but I would use that mainly for skincare. In here we have some gems, Sinners and Luster, so we have blue and red. I don't use these, but, you know, they still send them. So, now these I have used. We got these one time before. These are little, like, there's 25 of them in there. Compression sponges, and you get them wet. Great to take off your makeup. I probably used, I don't know, maybe 5 or so of them from my last pack. So they're awesome, and they don't take up a lot of room. Excuse me. It like to store. We have a beauty sponge right here, a yellow one. I'm going to leave that sealed. I probably will share just because I don't need any more of those. Let's see what we have here. The hand bands in light pink. I'm going to open these and I'll show them to you. I'm trying to think if I kept the last pair that I had. But they do come in handy. When you're doing your skincare, you just put them, you know, and these are nice and soft. Just put them up your arm. And this way, the water, does, when you're, you know, rinsing your face, it doesn't run down your arm. I mean, I'm infamous for having it run down my arm and then I'm like soaked. So these do really come in handy. So I might keep this set. I don't think I kept the previous set. I might have. I don't think so. Oh, I just got fuzzies everywhere from them. So they really do come in handy. Now, what is the rest of this stuff? Looks like we have a pen from Lurella, which I'm not mad at because I love pens. This looks like a nice one. Is that a pen? Yeah. Nice old pen. Cute. I love my... Excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. I'll try not to. I'm so sorry. Oreo, she's been I have my boxes that I filmed. And the ice cream box has them little peanuts. Well, she had one in her mouth. She's sitting there and looking at me, and you could just see the bulk. I'm like, what do you have? I'm like, I didn't leave anything. And I put my hand out, and she put it in my hand. It was one of the peanuts. I'm like, stop. So she just went to try to get another one. Ugh, so sorry. This I probably will share because I still have mine. And this is Melt Away. It's your cleanse it to take your makeup off. Mine is in my bathroom closet, like linen closet. So this is right here. So it's a balm. Works nice. And, you know, why not use stuff like that to take off your makeup? I don't mind it. Here we have a bronze tour powder. Get Snatched. I don't think we've ever had anything like this from them. I love my IPSY pen. I still use. Love it. I have pens from other companies. They really do come in and they last a long time. So I'm excited to use that one. Keep them at my bedside table. I'm excited for this, a bronze tour, but is that going to be too dark? Let's just have a seal on it. So that's right there. That might not be too dark. I would go light-handed with it. Okay, we'll give that a shot and see what I think. We have Iconic Gloss in Wifey. I'm not going to open that. That's going to be the color. I'm going to leave this one sealed because I'm going to share it. And then we have 2 products here, and I think these are glosses, if I'm not mistaken. Liquid lipsticks. Brave and Plump. So here's liquid lipstick, and this is Brave. And this is Plump. I will open these. I don't know if I've had these. Brave and Plump. I don't know. So let's open. I'm going to open. Which one should I open? I might open Brave. I don't know. One looks redder than the other. I can do a red if it's a deep red, or if it has the, you know, like the bluer undertones, but it's not my favorite shade in the world. So let's see. Yeah, see, has a little bit, it's red, but it has a little bit of, yeah, that one I don't know. We'll have to see on that one. I'm going to open the other one, which is Plump. I don't know if that's still the same tone-ish, you know, the same, or if this one has a little bit more brown to it. We'll see in just a second. I've already had some that looked red, and they came out more like pinky red, which is fine. Like, oops. See, now this is more of like a purpley. I can do that for sure. Got to keep everything off the floor because Oreo is a scavenger. Maybe I should open this so you guys can see it. I'll open the gloss. Wasn't going to. I'll just be careful how I open it. This one looks kind of orangey, which I cannot do. But we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. I see that's too light for me. So that one was a no. Looks like we have some brushes. Essential Eye Kit, 5-piece set. Nice. Don't get angry at that stuff. Oh, we have some more stuff in here. Here we have this. What are you? Oh, one of the back exfoliators you hold on to in the shower for your back. Ooh, that feels nice. And like it would do a nice job, too. Ooh, that's exciting. We do have something like this in the shower, but it's more, you know, I don't use it. I have a brush. But I don't always like using that, so this might come in handy. Just to get your back. Get that exfoliated. That's always the hardest part, you know, in my opinion. Okay, I can't get that back in there, but that's nice. That was tucked underneath this palette. So this is Fantasy Fluorescent is the name on this one. And all Lurella stuff is sealed, which, you know, takes a little while to unbox it, but I appreciate the seal on it. Let's see what you look like. Oh, it's not an eyeshadow palette. It is a highlighter palette. Right here. Let's turn it this way so I can maybe hold it up. Nice. I like that. I'm not too big on the pink. The blue, could always use that as a little bit of shadow too. That's not bad. I am a mess at best today. So that's nice to have a big highlighter palette like that. I think a good box. You know, a little bit more non-makeup than makeup. But still usable things, in my opinion. Not bad. Not the best. It's probably about half and half, I think. I feel like I'm going to sneeze again. I'm so sorry. So let me know your thoughts on this one. I appreciate all you watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.